Take a slow, deep, intentional breath in and let it out with a soft sigh. Let your body completely drop. Get into a position that feels entirely safe and supportive for you right now. Gently close your eyes. You have spent a very long time standing guard at the gates of your own heart. You are allowed to put the weapons down. The battle is over. You are safe here. When we carry trust issues, our bodies physically brace for impact. Notice where you are holding on to that silent armor. Is your chest tight? Are your shoulders locked up high? Are your hands curled as if ready to defend you? Lovingly breathe a warm, heavy wave of relaxation into those exact spaces. Let them soften. Let them spread. Breathe in slowly through your nose, drawing in pure safety and peace, and let it out like a gentle wave of light. Feel how supported you are by the surface beneath you. You don't have to hold yourself up right now. Let the ground carry you. Let's talk about the walls you built. When you were hurt, whether it was a painful breakup, a friendship betrayal, family disappointment, or a toxic workplace, your mind did exactly what it was designed to do. It built a massive, thick wall of protection. It whispered, if we never let anyone close, we can never be hurt again. But those walls are exhausting to maintain. They require constant scanning for danger, constant suspicion, and constant worry. And worst of all, the same wall that keeps out the pain also blocks out the love, the joy, the genuine friendships, and the beautiful opportunities waiting to find you. You have been living in a fortress, but it is starting to feel like a prison. Imagine a beautiful room in a house. To protect the room from a heavy storm, you close the glass windows. It is a smart, temporary measure. But once the storm has passed and the sun is shining, if you keep those windows boarded up forever, the room becomes dark, stale, and lifeless. You don't keep the windows closed because you are afraid of the wind. You keep them closed only when it rains, and you open them to let the fresh air in when the sun returns. You are the one with your hand on the latch. Trusting again doesn't mean you become naive or let everyone in. It means trusting yourself to know when to open the window, and trusting your own strength to close it if a storm begins to brew. The secret to trusting others is actually learning to trust yourself. You don't have to trust that people will never hurt you. People are human and they are imperfect. Instead, you trust that you are strong enough, resilient enough, and wise enough to handle it if they do. You trust your boundaries. You trust your intuition. You trust that no matter what happens, you will never abandon yourself again. Let's anchor this beautiful self-sourced safety. Place both of your warm hands flat against your chest, holding your own heart with ultimate tenderness. Repeat these powerful, liberating words silently to yourself. I am safe to slowly let my guard down. I trust my own intuition and boundaries to protect me. My past betrayal is not my future reality. I choose to step out of the fortress and back into the light. Feel the immense lightness flooding into your spirit. The heavy armor is melting away, leaving behind a clear, clean, and beautiful sense of freedom. You are no longer hiding. You are standing tall, fully protected by your own inner wisdom, with a heart that is ready to receive the good things this life has to offer. You are beautiful. You are worthy of genuine, safe connections in your friendships, your family, your work, and your love life. Walk forward knowing that your past did not break you. It simply made you wiser. Take one final magnificent heart-opening breath in, pulling fresh, clean air deep into your lungs, and release it like a soft smile of pure freedom. Let go of the heavy guard. Slowly, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the physical room. Feel your feet on the ground. Wiggle your toes. Stretch your fingers, and when you are completely ready, open those magnificent eyes. Step into the world today with your head held high, knowing that it is safe to be seen. You've got this. Thank you for opening your heart with me today.